Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at a Tech21 case here. This one is the Pure Ombre case for the iPhone 11. And this one comes in a couple different colors. So the color I have here is Cornflower Blue. It does come in Cherry Red, Pewter, and Peppermint Blue. And it's a really nice looking case, I think. So it says here on their website, it protects from drops up to 10 feet, contains high performing impact materials, ultra thin design, protects without adding unnecessary bulk, and tested to work perfectly with wireless connectivity. So this case retails for $39.95. You can get it on their website and I believe other retailers as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case. So we'll take a look at the box real quick. So on the front we just have the Tech21 branding there, a picture of the case. We've got 10-foot, 3-meter drop protection right there. Pure Ombre Cornflower Blue for the iPhone 11. It's an interesting case design, or the box design is a little bit different than what I've previously seen. And you'll probably drop your phone more than once. Don't worry, with scientifically proven impact materials and innovative design, Tech21 products protect drop after drop. I'll give you some more information. Antimicrobial protection and slim profile. So what's interesting about this box is you can actually just open it like this and get a peek at it. Protects drop after drop, so that's kind of cool. So I guess if you wanted to look at this in the store, you could do that and actually like see it that way. So it's kind of cool. It gives you a little slip with the color right there. So taking it out here, it is a really good looking case. So it's got this kind of interesting gradient going to it, so where it's darker and then it goes lighter as it goes up the phone here. And not sure if you can see the glitter in the case itself, which is really nice. Now these are really rigid cases. I really love Tech21 cases. I think they look great. And yeah, this one's definitely rigid, so it does have some drop protection to it. And you can definitely see on the sides here, I do like this, the way that this pattern is on the around it. And you have some Tech21 branding right there on the side. So let's go ahead and pop our phone in and take a look at it with the phone on there. So I have a black iPhone 11. Alright, just made Siri come up there. Alright, looks really nice. Now, it may look a little bit better on a phone that's not black like mine, but I still love the color. That's still really, really cool. So you get a nice view of your Apple logo right there. We do have a perfect cutout for our camera right there. I don't know if you can see the glitter. Oh, it's a really pretty case. On the side here, we do have a nice, perfect button here for our power. Nice clicky feel to it. Everything's really good there. Oh man, it's having a moment there. On the other side here, we do have a nice cutout for our silent switch. Perfectly cut out, so there's enough room to get in there, so you don't have to dig into a smaller hole there, so that's pretty nice. And then again, more with the clicky buttons. I do like that you can see the color of the phone showing through the buttons on either side. That's pretty nice. So yeah, so there's a little review right there. On the bottom here, perfect cutout for our speakers and mic. And it's a little bit extra big for our lightning port, which is nice. So just in case you have one of those kind of maybe larger chargers, you won't have any issue there. Here's our side profile here. So yeah, really nice looking case. And looking at the front of our phone here, you can see we have no issue with the screen protector here. And we have a nice lip around the edge. So we do have some protection for the front of the phone. So you can put it face down. And we have protection for our camera, as you can see there. So no issue right there. Not too thin. And it is kind of like a TPU material, but it is rigid as you saw. So it does have that drop protection. It's a little slippery. It's a slippery case, but it is still pretty nice. So there you go. So that is just a quick look at the Pure Ombre case for the iPhone 11. Loving that glitter. Looks really, really nice. Alright, and there you have it. So this has just been a quick look at the Pure Ombre case from Tech21 for the iPhone 11. It's a really nice looking case, and as I said, comes in at $39.95 on their website as well as other retailers like Best Buy. Comes in a couple different colors, and it's a really nice case. Anyway guys, thank you guys for checking this video out. If you did like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.